Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One Step. We are back with another brand new video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Lloyds bank account using your website. You can also do it on the app version, but since Lloyd Bank's app is not available in my country, I cannot show you guys, but I can tell you guys how you guys can do it for mobile version. Just download the app from your Play Store and your, app store. Open it and there's going to be login and sign up button. You want to click on login if you want to log in into your account. You want to click on sign up if you want to create yourself accounts. If you want to create, click on sign up. If you want to log in, click on login for app. And the rest step is going to be easy. You can just enter your username, password, you're good to go. For the website version, there's some extra steps you need to do. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One Step for future videos like this. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Lloyds Bank login. You can also just search for Lloyds Bank login. I'm going to remove the behind the parts from over there. Once you search for Lloyds Bank login, you want to click on internet banking, online and mobile. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website, which is the official website of Lloyds Bank. Over here at the bottom, click on accept all, because if you don't accept website cookies, you cannot do anything. And over here, if you want to register for Lloyds Bank, you want to click on register now, fill up their form and you're good to go. But if you want to log in into your banking account, click on log on to internet banking. It's going to take you to the login page. It's going to take a bit of time, depends on your internet speed. Now, once you're over here where it says user ID, you need to enter your user ID. After you enter your user ID, you can enter the password of your account over here. After you enter your password, if you tick mark remember my user ID, every single time you come to Lloyds Bank's website, your user ID is going to be remembered automatically. You don't have to, type in the user ID. You just have to type in your password and you're good to go. All right, so tick mark this if you want that and click on continue. And if the user ID and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into Lloyds Bank account. It's that simple. And if you want to register, you can click on register online over here as well. And if you forgot your login details, you can click on forgotten your login details as well. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a Lloyds Bank account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.